Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Yes, you can push start a car with a manual transmission if it has a bad starter, but this method does not work for automatic cars. To push start a manual car, you'll need to 1. Turn the ignition on. 2. Press the clutch all the way in. 3. Put the car in second gear. 4. Have someone push the car until it gains some speed, or use a hill to gain momentum. Then 5. Quickly release the clutch. This should start the engine. However, it's crucial to address the underlying problem with the starter as soon as possible.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.